Xiaomi has officially entered the European wet-dry vacuum battle with the new Truclean W30 Pro, and it's coming with upgrades that promise to shake up a very competitive market. Following its global reveal earlier this year, the Truclean W30 Pro is now available through Xiaomi's German and UK online stores, priced at £299.99 or €349.99. And it's stepping right into a fierce arena, going up against popular names like Tineco, Dreame, and Roborock. Wet-dry vacuums, also known as mop-vac combos, have become household favorites thanks to their ability to handle floor cleaning in a single pass. The W30 Pro brings several notable improvements over its predecessor, starting with a clever new 180-degree flexible lie-flat design. This lets the vacuum slide under beds, sofas, and cabinets with surprising ease, a welcome improvement for anyone tired of crouching or moving furniture just to reach dust. Xiaomi also introduces a 4-stage anti-tangle system aimed at preventing hair buildup. It's a small detail, but for households with pets or long hair, it's a game changer. Performance has received a healthy boost too. Xiaomi claims the W30 Pro delivers 20% more suction power, now reaching 18,000 pascals. The roller brush spins at 450 RPM and applies up to 20 newtons of downward pressure to lift stubborn grime and debris. Alongside the standard cleaning mode, there's a dedicated water absorption mode, perfect for tackling spills or drying damp floors more efficiently. The W30 Pro runs for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, which should be enough for most small to medium homes. But what really elevates the experience is the base station. It doesn't just charge the vacuum, it also handles automatic self-cleaning and drying, keeping the roller fresh and ready for the next run. With upgraded power, smarter engineering, and a design built for convenience, Xiaomi's Truclean W30 Pro enters Europe, ready to compete and maybe even outshine some longtime favorites. At £299.99 or €349.99, it may just be one of the most compelling new arrivals in the wet-dry vacuum space.